Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English Easy.
Where is the check-in counter for Delta?
It's over there on the left,
How early should I arrive?
at least 2 hours before your flight.
Where is the security checkpoint?
Go straight and turn right at the sign.
Is my flight on time?
Yes, it's on schedule.
Can I bring water through security?
Only bottles under 100 milliliters.
Where can I get a taxi?
Outside the arrivals area.
Where is the nearest restroom?
Next to Gate 5.
Where can I charge my phone?
There are outlets near the seats.
Can I upgrade to business class?
Ask at the boarding gate.
Where is baggage claim?
It's on the first floor.
I would like to open a savings account.
Sure, please fill out this form.
What is the minimum deposit?
It's $50 to open a new account.
Can I get a debit card?
Yes, it will be ready in 5 business days.
Where is the ATM?
Outside, near the entrance.
Can I transfer money online?
Yes, just register for online banking.
What are your working hours?
From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Friday.
Do you charge fees for withdrawals?
No, withdrawals at our ATMs are free.
How can I check my balance?
You can check it at the ATM or online.
Can I deposit a check here?
Yes, you can use the counter or ATM.
Is it safe to leave large amounts here?
Yes, your money is protected and insured.
Do you have a room available for tonight?
Yes, we have a few rooms available.
How much is one night?
It's $80 per night, including tax.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included in the price.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free throughout the hotel.
Is there a shuttle to the airport?
Yes, it runs every 30 minutes.
Can I see the room first?
Sure, I'll show you right now.
Do you offer wake-up calls?
Yes, just let us know the time.
Where is the elevator?
It's right next to the front desk.
Where are the eggs?
In aisle 5.
Do you have almond milk?
Yes, near the dairy section.
How much is this bread?
It's $2.50.
Is there a discount today?
Yes, for members only.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, we accept mobile payments.
Where is the self-checkout?
Next to aisle 10.
Can I return this later?
Yes, within 7 days.
Do you sell gift cards?
Yes, at the front counter.
Where is the exit?
Straight ahead to your right.
What time do you close?
We close at 9 p.m.
Excuse me, how do I get to the subway station?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Can you show me on the map?
Sure, here it is.
Which bus goes to the airport?
Bus number 21 goes there.
Where is the nearest ATM?
It's next to the convenience store.
How long does it take to get there by taxi?
About 15 minutes, depending on traffic.
Is this the right way to the museum?
Yes, just keep going straight.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it's only 10 minutes.
Where is the taxi stand?
Outside the main entrance.
Is it safe to walk at night?
Yes, but stay on the main streets.
Where is the city museum?
It's 2 blocks straight ahead.
How much is the entrance fee?
Adults pay $12, children $6.
What time does it open?
From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Are there guided tours?
Yes, every hour from 10 a.m.
Can I take photos inside?
Yes, but no flash photography.
Where is the nearest restroom?
Near the main entrance.
Is there a souvenir shop?
Yes, next to the exit.
Can I buy tickets online?
Yes, on the museum's website.
Is it wheelchair accessible?
Yes, all areas are accessible.
Are pets allowed inside?
No, pets are not allowed.
Where is the reception desk?
It's right inside the main entrance.
How long is the waiting time?
About 30 minutes today.
Can I make an appointment?
Yes, you can book one online or at the desk.
Do you accept walk-ins?
Yes, but it depends on the doctor's availability.
Can I bring my insurance card?
Yes, please show it at registration.
Do you have a pharmacy here?
Yes, it's on the first floor.
What should I do if my child is sick?
You can see a pediatrician in our clinic.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy it at the machine or the counter.
How much is a one-way ticket?
It's $2.50 for adults.
Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it stops at all main stations.
When is the next train?
The next train leaves in 15 minutes.
How many stops to the airport?
7 stops from here.
Is it faster to take the subway?
Yes, it takes about 20 minutes less.
Can I bring a bike on the train?
Yes, during off-peak hours.
Is there a discount for students?
Yes, show your student ID.
Where is the exit at the station?
Follow the signs near the platform.
Is it safe to travel at night?
Yes, trains run every 30 minutes until midnight.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here it is.
What is today's special?
It's grilled chicken with vegetables.
Is this dish spicy?
No, it's mild.
Can I have a glass of water?
Sure, still or sparkling.
I would like to order now.
Great. What would you like?
Can I have this to go?
Yes, I'll pack it for you.
Can I change this side dish?
Yes, you can choose fries or salad.
Can I get some extra sauce?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
How long will it take for the food?
About 15 minutes.
Do you want to grab coffee later?
Yes, that sounds good.
What time are you free?
Around 3 p.m. is perfect.
Where should we meet?
At the cafe near the park.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee, thanks.
Can we invite Sarah too?
Yes, I'll call her now.
What should we do after coffee?
Maybe take a walk in the park?
Should we bring snacks?
No need. The cafe has plenty.
How long can we stay there?
Until the cafe closes at 6 p.m.
Can we play board games?
Yes, they have a few sets available.
Should we take some photos?
Yes, it will be fun to remember.
Can you help me with this report?
Sure, I can check it now.
When is the meeting?
At 10 a.m. in the conference room.
Can I work from home tomorrow?
Yes, just let HR know.
Where is the printer?
Near the copy room.
Can you send me the file?
Yes, I'll email it now.
Who is in charge of this project?
Mr. Smith is the project manager.
Can I take a short break?
Yes, just return in 15 minutes.
When is the deadline?
It's next Friday.
Can we reschedule the meeting?
Yes, what time works for you?
Is there a coffee machine here?
Yes, it's in the kitchen.
Can you explain this problem?
Sure, let me show you step by step.
When is the homework due?
It's due tomorrow morning.
Can I borrow a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Where is the library?
Down the hall to the left.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
What is the next subject?
It's mathematics.
Can I work with a partner?
Yes, you can choose anyone.
Is the test tomorrow?
Yes, please prepare.
Can I leave early today?
Only if your parents approve.
Hello, I need help with my order.
Sure, can I have your order number?
I want to change my delivery address.
Yes, please tell me the new address.
How long will shipping take?
About 5 to 7 business days.
Can I cancel my order?
Yes, as long as it hasn't shipped.
I received the wrong item.
Sorry, we'll send the correct one.
Can I speak to a manager?
Yes, please hold for a moment.
Is this number free of charge?
Yes, calls are free within the country.
How do I track my order?
You can use the tracking link we emailed.
Can I get a refund?
Yes, once we receive the returned item.
What are your working hours?
From 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.